Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the basics ready. Power your Chromecast and set the Roku TV to the HDMI input you'll use. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for discovery and casting. On Roku, enable screen mirroring in settings so it will accept connections. Once done, open the Google Home app on your phone. This app finds Chromecast and helps you start casting. This step prevents connectivity errors later. You'll now configure Chromecast through Google Home. Tap Add Device, choose Set Up New Device, and follow the prompts to pair with your Chromecast. Make sure the Chromecast reports the same Wi-Fi SSID as the Roku TV in the app. Mismatched networks block casting. Name your Chromecast so you can select it easily. If the app asks to update firmware, allow it. Updates fix compatibility issues. Once the app confirms the device is ready, you're ready to cast content. You can now open a cast-enabled app like YouTube, tap the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast to send video to the Roku TV's HDMI input. If casting fails, restart the router, Chromecast, and Roku in that order, and confirm all are on the same SSID. Make sure AP isolation is off on the router. That setting prevents devices from communicating. Finally, try switching bands between 2, 4, and 5 GHz to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.